Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here. In this video I will teach you how to make a panorama image from multiple exposures. A cool thing in the latest version of Adobe Lightroom is the panorama module. The tool can merge several images together to create a panorama. Out in the field you have to take several images of a landscape and overlap them about 25%. You can either shoot vertical or horizontal, and you have to use the same focal length and the same aperture on all images. Also use manual light metering so each of the images will have the same tones. In Adobe Lightroom you can then merge them together, and out of that you get a DNG file which you can edit and adjust just like a RAW file. I suggest you watch this video in full screen mode. Here I have 4 images. It's from Romsdalen Valley in Norway, a beautiful area. And I have overlapped these images so I can merge them together in the panorama tool here in Adobe Lightroom. It's an amazing place, and I'm going to show you the amazing tool here. The first thing I have to do is to mark all these 4 images. This first here is already marked. Then I can go to the last, and I push the shift button on the keyboard and click on that image, and all the images in between is marked. Now you see all images is white. So then I can go up to photo and photo merge. Then I select the panorama. So photo merge and panorama. Click on panorama and the computer starts working and creating a new panorama. Look here, it's amazing. It's very intelligent program. Can merge these images together. In the old days we had to have an old panorama camera to take these pictures. Now we can use a normal single lens reflex digital camera to create these images. Then I click here on merge, and then the computer starts working, and you can see up here is processing the image. So now what's happening is the computer merged all these raw files together into a DNG file, and a DNG file is one I can edit and adjust almost like a raw file and create a new image out of the 4. So it's an amazing tool. Soon it's ready. You can see here it's going to the end here. Soon we will have the image. Yes, there we have it. Now we can see here it is. Look, it's amazing. And now I can go in and edit. So I go up to develop, click here, and then start with the clarity, do just a quick development here. Some more vibrance, and look here, the blue is coming in very nicely to 45. We need some more contrasts. We need to sharpen. 58, 1.1, and use the masking. Press the option button, and then all the dark areas is areas where it will not be sharpened. You don't need to sharpen the sky or blank surfaces. Here we have it. This was just a quick development. We can also lift the shadows a little bit up. Look here, shadows. Drag it to the right, and then we'll lift the shadows a little bit. You see here what this tool can do. A little bit up. If I do it too much, it will be maybe too weak, and it will reduce the contrast. But I take it a little bit down here. A little bit up on the contrast. there we have it. Now we also see there's a lot of dust here, so if we want to remove them, I can use the dust removal tool here, the spot removal, and click on that and adjust the ring by scrolling on the mouse or using the slider. You have to adjust the ring so it covers the dust. You can just click over it and Adobe Lightroom will select another area with the same tones and put over the dust. It's very intelligent. So then we close, and then we can look at the image in full size. First I'm gonna increase the size a little bit by pushing Shift and Tab button and then double L on the keyboard. There we have it. It's an amazing tool. You can of course see there's some dust here. It needs to be removed, but I'm not going to spend time on that now. But look, it's an amazing tool. I also used the same focal length on all images, and you can see up here all the data here. We have 150mm focal length. I used ISO 50 at f18 and 1/20th of a second. I used a tripod and I overlapped the images about 25%. It gave me the opportunity to create this image. So it's an amazing tool.